ServSafe Manager Practice Test 1 Answers. Question 1. When considering Bacillus cereus, what is the standard? Parasite, bacteria in rice/soil, toxin, virus. B. Cereus is famous for rice-linked illness. Question 2. What is the critical limit for safe temperature for eggs for hot holding? 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot-held eggs require 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 3. Standard operating procedures for common food allergens specify: beef, chicken, milk, pork. Milk is one of the big 9 allergens. Question 4. The correct way to measure HACCP Principle 7 is: analyzing, record keeping, correcting, monitoring. Step 7 is documentation. Question 5. One must always check cooling method for large deep pot, room temp, closed cupboard, ice water bath. Ice water baths help cool food quickly. Question 6. Which is a key component of high-risk population? Healthy adults, professional athletes, elderly people, teenagers. High-risk groups: elderly, preschool children, compromised immune systems. Question 7. How should a food handler manage cooling method? Closed cupboard, ice water bath, large deep pot, room temp. Ice water baths help cool food quickly. Question 8. Why is foodborne illness outbreak definition important in a kitchen? 10 people sick, 1 person sick, 2 or more people with same symptoms, everyone in the restaurant sick. An outbreak involves 2+ people from the same food. Question 9. Which is a key component of thawing in microwave? Must be cooked immediately, cool to 41, freeze, can be stored. Microwave thawed food must be cooked right away. Question 10. What is the requirement for CCP stands for? Chemical control point, clean control point, critical control point, critical cooking point. CCPs are points where hazards can be prevented or reduced. Question 11. The correct way to measure chlorine sanitizer concentration is: 10 ppm, 50 to 99 ppm, 200 ppm, 500 ppm. Standard chlorine concentration is 50 to 99 ppm. Question 12. Which detail is essential for maximum time TCS food can be in danger zone? 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, 6 hours. Food must be discarded after 4 hours in the danger zone. Question 13. Which detail is essential for consumer advisory requirement? Allergens, raw/undercooked food, hot food, frozen food. Advisories are needed for raw/undercooked items. Question 14. What is the requirement for FATM? T stands for time and temperature, toxins and type, tension and travel, taste and texture. FATM: food, acidity, temperature, time, oxygen, moisture. Question 15. What defines the standard for food allergy symptom? Dizziness, hives, bruising, fever. Hives, itchy rash, are a common allergy symptom. Question 16. When considering consumer advisory requirement, what is the standard? Frozen food, allergens, raw/undercooked food, hot food. Advisories are needed for raw/undercooked items. Question 17. Identify the correct statement about vacuum-packed food risk: listeria, salmonella, norovirus, botulism. Anaerobic environments in vacuum packs risk C. botulinum. Question 18. What is the critical limit for HACCP Principle 6? Analyze, record, verify the system works, monitor. Step 6 is verification. Question 19. A food safety manager must remember that cleaning frequency for constant use is every shift, every 4 hours, once a day, every 2 hours. Equipment in constant use must be cleaned every 4 hours. Question 20. Which action is necessary for temperature for cold holding? 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius or lower. Cold food must stay at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below.